So I'm here over in the Cashiers-Sapphire area, kind of near the Highlands in Franklin, North Carolina, and we're going to check out some of the really awesome waterfalls in the area. So let's get started. So we're here at the first overlook, and it's quite spectacular. It's apparently the tallest waterfall in the southeast or east of the Rockies, I guess, and it's pretty spectacular. But I want to check out the stairs because apparently there's an even better view down there. So check it out. So just a pretty awesome waterfall, spectacular view, great stop. Really only takes you about 20 minutes, 30 minutes tops to look at it. And you're on the road to another waterfall, so yay! So we're here at the gorgeous State Park Visitor Center, which is kind of a really nice setup in terms of visitor centers, and there's no fee to get into the park, although it's really nice to give them a donation. Well, it's gotten a little steeper and the river is right down there, so I think we're getting close. Pretty great waterfall, Rainbow Falls. Little steep getting up to the very end here, but not really that horribly bad compared to other trails in the Appalachians. Little viewpoint here off the trail. I'm going to take a look at the river. This is a nice place to hang out. Okay, that was so great. Highly recommend. A nice little pool of water to jump into after hiking about 1.5 miles or so. Alright, let's head back. So we're here at Bearwallow Falls, and it's a nice little fall. Well, not little, it's pretty big, but you know, considering the other rainbow. But it's very pleasant and lots of lush vegetation around it. So we're here at Silver Run Waterfall, and one thing you have to realize with this one is that if you want to get a really good shot of the waterfall, you got to get in the water, and I'll show you why. The waterfall is there, and there's a lot of water in between, but it's pretty shallow, very easy, not even very slippery. So let's go in there and check it out. So this one is definitely one to put on your list if you want to get it a little bit wet and really right under a waterfall, pretty safe. So I highly recommend it. So this is a really awesome day with lots of cool waterfalls and lots of kind of actual get in the water possibilities along this route. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you do, remember to click that like button and of course subscribe for some more. Till next time.